Hello everyone. This video will explain how to fill out the pre-protocol survey for students. Please follow the instructions demonstrated in this video and listed below. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the IRB office and/or your faculty advisor. To start this process, you should first log into Mentor. Then access the My Protocols button on the left side menu. It should then guide you to this screen. Click on the button Create New Protocol to proceed. From there, you should first receive a question about whether your study is considered quality improvement or not. This section has very specific information, so please read the prompts carefully before selecting a response. If you are requesting the materials necessary for a quality improvement study, select Yes. This will guide you to the quality improvement application form. If you are requesting the materials for not human subjects research, often referred to as NHSR, select No and click Save Answers to continue. This will direct you to the screen to fill in your faculty advisor's name. Type their name into the text box provided. After successfully selecting your faculty advisor, click Continue. Then this screen should appear. Please fill out all necessary sections as it pertains to your study. It is important that you do not change the review type from anything other than quality improvement or NHSR. This will save you from any unnecessary time or effort. If more information is needed, the IRB will contact you through email. Again, if you have any additional questions, please contact the IRB office.